Friends, the good news is that for CA, if you are dead determined that you are going to do CA and you take a provisional registration after class 10 on or before the first Jan of your class 12 board exams that year, you can appear for CA exams in May or June for that year. Today, the norm is, as it stands, was that you had to appear for class 12 boards and then register for CA Foundation, and then there was this 4-month window of studies, which meant that you could appear for CA Foundation only in November, December. Now that gets preponed to May or June. So while my initial reaction to this after class 10 provisional registration was to an extent कि बच्चे की जान ही ले हुए क्या, as in to an extent that can you even open this window for the children in the hospital once they are born, they can register for CA. You know, that reminds me of this classic IIT stories where in certain parts of the country there are coaching classes for IIT starting from class 4-5. So after class 10 you might not have a clear clarity, but it's just like 9,000 rupees. You can register, get the books. The books are also quite common with your class 11 and 12 syllabus: accounts, maths, economics, and then law and business correspondence reporting remain the extra subjects, which is good that if you have to appear for the exams immediately after your class 12 boards in May or June, the window is limited. So it is good to register before, get the books, start studying. So as a passing reference, Unacademy is starting the CA Foundation batch for May 2021 from this 19th of October. 5 renowned faculties for accounts, maths, law, eco and business correspondence reporting. So the coupon code is CA2020 for availing maximum discount. Coming back to our discussion, now this CA Foundation, the new thing, might be even good for attracting a larger number of students in the. So if you remember, last year I had made a video about 75% decline in CA Foundation registrations, or from CPT numbers of 1,67,073 to 45,048. So it was almost like a 75% decline. This year it has been quite an improvement, almost like 45% improvement. From 45,000 for 2018-19, the number of registrations has moved to 63,228 with foundation scheme. That means these people are well aware of the fact that without this MCQ, tick taka tick, they have to seriously appear for the 5 papers of CA Foundation and clear them. So it is good that serious students are now getting in the profession. Long term it is good. By the way, you know how much does the CA Institute record revenues in terms of the fees? 712 crores. Yes, you heard it right. For the year ended 31st March 2020, as per their annual report, 712 crores is their fee income from students and different training modules, distance, classroom, online, etc. The reserves and surplus is 1363 crores. A lot of money, right? It's like a rich body. So this provisional registration is good. You know, this year what happened was that since the rule was that you had to apply for class 12 exams and then register for CA Foundation, and the class 12 exams were postponed because of COVID-19, they had to come up with a notification that if you have been allotted the admit card and or appeared for at least one of the class 12 board exams, then you can register even if you have not given all the exams, and appear for the foundation exams in November 2020, which has now been postponed to December. Now with the provisional registration, you can rest assured that these kind of last minute glitches are not going to happen. You can very well plan in advance your career. It's just like 9,000 rupees that you are paying for CA Foundation, and this kind of saves you from further increase in cost also over the 2-year window. So if you are in class 11, 12, you've made up your mind. And for many people, it becomes like a tradition because the father or the grandfather is also a chartered accountant. So it becomes like you're a second generation or a third generation chartered accountant in the family, an aspirant for that matter. So then this is a good scheme, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to make good use of it. And the number of students in the system will therefore again move up probably to the historic highs of 67,000 that were registered 10 years ago in the CPT era. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've liked it, please make some effort to disseminate this content to your near and dear ones. Thank you. All the best. Bye-bye.